Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a white cake. This white cake is egg free and it only uses 4 ingredients. And what you will need is some flour, some sugar, some vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Alright, and then we need 1 3/4 of a cup of flour. And with measuring stuff out, the trick is that you could pour some in and level out. Try and get as close as you can. That should be good enough. Alright, and then we need 3/4 a cup of white sugar. There's a clump of sugar right here. Okay, it should look like that. Alright, then we need 1 cup of water, which should look like this. And then we need 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. And should look like that. Then we're going to put that in. And then we are going to mix all that together. And with mixing stuff up, you want to get as mixed up as good as you can get it. Once the cake is all mixed together, it should look something like this. And if you want to, you can add some vanilla extract for some flavoring, but you don't have to. And with the white cake, it's only 4 ingredients from, if you don't add any ingredients. So technically, the 4 ingredients is basically just the flour, the white sugar, the 1 cup of water, and the vegetable oil. And the 4 ingredients does not include the vanilla extract, and it also does not include any frost. Right, and then with the oven, we need to preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, for this part, we need a baking dish, and you can really use any size that you want. Alright, and then we need to spray the baking dish with cooking spray. And then we take this batter here, and then we put it into the baking dish. And then try and get it leveled out as good as you can. And then the cake will rise some too, so I don't recommend filling it any more than halfway full because of it rising. And then once the oven is heated up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we are going to bake the cake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the flour comes out of it clean. Once the cake is all done baking in the oven, it should look something like this.